I sat down and I asked myself, what would it be like to have all the wigs in this life? Amazing. A whole room filled with wigs. And so I thought to myself, why not start this mission? So hello guys, my name is Enya and welcome. I'm on a mission to use all my money and my family's money to buy wig because of course wig matters. Okay, so this is going to be the first video for the wig try on. So what you'll be doing basically, you tell me which is your favorite. So this is wig number 1. Let me turn around. This is what the back looks like. And this is what the front looks like. Okay, I like this hair for a lot of reasons. It's actually comfortable, and of course it covers the fact that I do not have a lot of front hair, natural front hair. So I like this. Yeah, it's actually 100% human hair too. So I get all my wigs from a vendor called Hair Island. You can check up Hair Island on her Instagram page, hair_island_ng. Hair Island is my blog. This is no way any ad. This is just a customer who is satisfied and is giving a review. So let's go on to wig number 2. So for wig number 2, I totally like this. Okay, this wig pops out. It's coily, and I like how I can decide to comb it out and decide to just shrink it with sprinkles of water, and it's just amazing. It looks really awesome. It suits any dress and every dress for me. So okay, hey, welcome to wig number 3, and yes, okay, let's go on to wig number 3. I like this, but then I don't think I'm a fan of long wigs. I get tired, heat, rashes all over my body, even during the cold seasons. But I like how they totally look on me, and it suits my face big. This wig is also, I think this is a blend, I can't remember, but this wig was actually the best combo I had at some point, and I totally loved it. I like to wear it on an off. Let's say we leave the most simplest for the last. Simple stuff actually just deserves to have the last. Hey man, welcome to number 4, and this is going to be bringing us to the last and the end of this hair try on. If you want me to try other of my wigs, please let me know in the comment section. If you want me to try my luxury hairs and other stuff, let me know and I'll gladly do this. This is my everyday hair. It's simple and it just looks good. Thank you for watching, and of course